Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the large green leaf plants. For some reason the name colocasia is sticking in my head, but I'm not sure. I will make a search on the internet to make sure I'm definitely right about this, but these plants are, for all practical purpose, they're very pretty to look at, but what you'd have to do when you grow them is literally put a wall around the root in the ground, because it will travel. As you can see here, let me just show you what I've done over here. It's traveled over there and in the back. Very pretty plant. Once you have them in the ground for, say, about a year or two, then the leaves start getting large like they have here. They put out what they call lateral roots. They run, well, horizontal under the ground, and every once in a while they pop up and you get a few more of these. So I'm in the process of, over the next couple of months, cleaning this area out, getting some of the weeds and relocating some of the euphorbia plants over here, and my coral creeper right here. But let me see, in the meantime I'll try and find my little tool that I lost about 4 months ago, which helps me dig up the weeds. I know it's out there somewhere, or I threw it out. So in the meantime, this is the large green leaf. Very nice thing. It'll throw out a little spat. I have yet, well, not that I have known, I have yet to be able to see that one comes from the seed pod that's over there, or the spat, as they would commonly refer to, of the large green leaf plant. So thank you for stopping by. This is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.